This is what I call a sound illuminator. I use it to visualize sound with sunlight. My studio has a south-facing window, so I'm able to work with the sunlight between October and April. During the winter months, the sun is low enough on the horizon that it can shine directly through my studio window and onto the sound palette. This is how I'm able to create the refraction. The machine allows me to visualize sound waves between 15 Hz and 250 Hz, and it's constructed out of a salvaged nose cowling from a 727 jet airplane. It was engineered to house vibration, so it's the perfect vessel for this machine. This is a series of photographic work created in my sound illuminator and based on the very low frequency of 15.15 Hertz and its interaction with sunlight. Sunlight is white light, so it contains the entire color spectrum. And once that light is diffracted, it opens up a world of possibilities. My main focus is what happens to the light aspect of this equation. I'm fascinated with perception, especially my own, and I've been working on creating a fusion between the auditory, the tactile, and the visual senses into one experience. This is a light echo tetrahedron. It takes ambient sound and translates it into light while pushing sound waves through the participants' bodies. It's running on a feedback loop that allows the observer to add audio inputs and experience the direct results of their actions. The rain room is also a fusion of the senses. This is rainwater illuminated at night in very slow motion. I've diffracted the light, and the viewing benches vibrate with the sound waves created by the falling water. In the back room, there are also two musical compositions that fuse the senses. The compositions themselves created the visuals, and while sitting in the viewing chair, you can feel the music pulsing through your body. I've intentionally left the music out of this video because I would like you to see this work in person. There are also a number of other installations that were created using a high-speed camera. Most of these are running on 13-minute loops, but they depict 7 seconds of real life inside of the sound illuminator.